Oh, these are not blueberry, the kind of berries. Oh, not blueberries. Oh, really? Mm. So it is berries. Yeah, different colors. There is red, blue, yellow, green. Oops. Thank you, Samira, for the wonderful video. I really enjoyed watching your video. Oh, jungle berries. They are jungle berries. Jungle berries. Very nice. Wonderful, wonderful. Jungle berries. Oh, I like this one. This one is my favorite, Samira. Hold on, hold on. There we go. This is my favorite. Fresh figs. Look at this. Yummy, yummy figs. There we go. So many figs. I like this one, the figs. 3 million people watching. Thank you so much. So many figs. I am very thankful to you, host. Welcome. This is God-gifted plant in my garden. Yes. Oh, I love the figs. My favorite. Yep. That is a gift from God. I'm still here. Thank you, Samira. Thank you.